Have you applied to many jobs but never received an interview call? You update your resume, apply online, wait for replies, but nothing happens. This is one of the biggest frustrations job seekers face today. The truth is, many resumes get rejected in the first few seconds, often for reasons candidates don't even realize. In this video, I'll explain why employers reject resumes and how you can fix these mistakes to increase your chances of getting interviews. Why a resume matters so much. Your resume is often the first impression an employer has of you. Before they meet you, before they speak to you, they judge your resume. Many hiring managers spend only a few seconds scanning resumes. That means your resume must quickly show value, relevance, professionalism, clarity. If it doesn't, they move on. Reason 1. Generic resume for every job. One of the biggest mistakes people make is sending the same resume for every job. Different jobs need different skills. For example, healthcare jobs need compliance awareness. Office jobs need communication and organization. Trucking jobs need safety and reliability. If your resume looks generic, employers lose interest. Fix. Customize your resume for each job. Use keywords from the job description. Highlight relevant skills. Reason 2. Poor resume formatting. If your resume looks messy, hard to read, or confusing, many employers skip it immediately. Common issues: too much text, tiny font, no spacing, cluttered layout. White heavy checkmark fix. Keep it clean and professional. Use clear headings, bullet points, readable font, enough white space. Make it easy to scan quickly. Reason 3. No achievements, only duties. Many resumes only list responsibilities. Example: answered calls, worked with customers, managed files. This sounds average. White heavy checkmark fix. Show results. Example: improved customer satisfaction, managed scheduling for 50+ clients, reduced filing errors by 20%. Achievements attract attention. Reason 4. Missing keywords, ATS problem. Many companies use ATS systems, applicant tracking systems. These systems scan resumes before humans see them. If your resume lacks keywords, it may get rejected automatically. Example: if job says customer service, data entry, scheduling. Use those relevant terms naturally if you have those skills. White heavy checkmark fix. Read job description carefully and align wording honestly. Reason 5. Spelling and grammar errors. Small mistakes create a bad impression. Employers may think careless, rushed, unprofessional. Even one typo can hurt trust. Fix. Proofread carefully. Use spell check. Ask someone else to review. Reason 6. No evidence of growth. Employers like candidates who improve themselves. If your resume shows no training, no learning, no progress, it may look weak. Fix. Add certifications, courses, training, relevant skill development. Even short online training can help. Reason 7. Too long or too short. Some resumes are 5 pages. Some are half a page with no detail. Both can hurt you. How to fix. Most people should aim for 1 page, entry level. 2 pages, experienced candidates. Keep it focused and relevant. Real example: 2 people apply for same job. Candidate A: messy generic resume, no keywords, spelling errors. Candidate B: clean customized resume, relevant skills, training listed. Who gets the interview? Usually candidate B. That's how powerful resume quality is. How to improve fast today. Do these 5 things immediately. Update headline title. Customize for target job. Add measurable achievements. Add certifications, training. Clean formatting. This alone can improve results. Where training can help. If you need resume strengthening skills, explore courses at complianceCoursesOnline.com. Useful for adding training in healthcare compliance, food safety, workplace behavior, cybersecurity awareness, trucking compliance. These can help make your resume stronger for relevant jobs. If employers keep rejecting your resume, it doesn't always mean you're not qualified. Sometimes it simply means your resume is not presenting your value correctly. Fix these mistakes, improve your resume, and your interview chances can increase dramatically. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos on jobs, resumes, interviews, certifications, and career growth.